How's it going, everybody? I'm Mark McInerney, President and CEO of CodeMark Financial, and I keep changing my look on you. All right, so last time we were talking about conventional loans. Now we're going to talk about FHA loans. So let's talk about the credit score requirements. I'm a big proponent of mid 600s, right? 640 or better, and that's what we're talking about. Here's the thing about FHA loans. There actually is no credit score requirement. Per the rules, FHA loans do not have any credit score minimum. Now, you're going to be hard-pressed to find a lender that will go down to a 0 credit score. The lowest that I have found has kind of been like in the 580 range. And in the previous episodes where I've talked about lenders that will go below 640, well, this is the space that I'm talking about for FHA loans. So, 580, as I've said before, those loan programs are going to be very difficult to underwriting, and I just don't like you not having enough options. And when you have the lower credit score, you limit your options. Nonetheless, if you had a low credit score, FHA loan is something to consider. What else are they good for? Low down payments. Conventional loans, 5% is the minimum. FHA, 3.5% is the minimum. Here's another plus. Closing costs. Sellers can contribute up to 6% towards your closing costs to further assist you with maybe the cash to close that you need to bring. Now, the most common negative that people don't like about FHA loans is the mortgage insurance. The overall rule is anytime you put down less than 20%, you're going to have mortgage insurance. On an FHA loan, though, however, once you get to 20% equity in your home, you're still going to have mortgage insurance. That is just the way the loan programs are structured now. So FHA means MI or mortgage insurance for the entire loan term, whether it's a 15, a 20, or a 30-year loan. Just know as you approach that 20% equity mark, you're going to want to refinance. An ideal candidate for an FHA loan would be somebody with a credit score, let's say, between 580 and 640. Perhaps does not have a lot of money to bring for a down payment or closing costs, so the minimum down payment of 3.5%, and then being able to lean on that 6% seller contribution towards your closing costs to help you with the cash to close. First-time home buyers are usually ones that I find most commonly using FHA, simply because they're kind of getting started out in their careers, also kind of just getting established in the credit profiles that they are building. So an FHA loan may be a good loan program for you. Next time we're going to talk about VA loans. Until then, I'm Mark McInerney, President and CEO of CodeMark Financial, and this is CodeMark TV.